Well, that didn't work. Since I thought it was a good idea to remove this screw with an impact, just sheared it off. So now it's stuck in there. I guess I'm gonna have to try this little quick out spiral tool. All right, wish me luck. Well, that didn't work. I went and got a replacement screw and a drill and tap set. I'm gonna try to drill a hole in this hub and tap it so I can still secure the rotor to the hub. All right, pilot hole is drilled and it looks like it's pretty center, so I'm gonna go ahead with the drill and tap. This is the important part. Put some Earl on her. Damn. Looks like I took it to the machine shop. And it lines up. Hit it with some brake clean.